my truck for sale. It's running right now. It's got a 10-inch suspension lift and a 3-inch body lift. 14-bolt rear. Dana 44 in the front. Disc in the front, drum in the back. A little dirty, but it needs to be cleaned up. Headlight's a little messed up. 39-inch tall tires. Turbo 350 trans with a shift kit. It's a 355 small block with 285 comp cam, 520 lift, somewhere around there. It's got a gear drive in it. It's got a Pro Comp 70cc chamber heads, ported and polished. Aluminum high-rise intake with a 750 Demon carb. Tire's flat, but it's not normally flat. I just had to take the air out. I didn't want anybody to take off with it, so I figured I'd take the air out. Got lights on top. It passed inspection. The inspection's out, but it had passed inspection. The guy before me had it for a daily driver, but I didn't want it for that. But it's for sale. I'm asking $3,500. If you think it's pretty sweet, give me a call. Appreciate it.